You so when you first rebuilt it, the platform, was it full HD? Was it 1080p? Was it 720p?
Full HD.
I'm
No,
just assuming you weren't doing 4K, especially
no,
back in,
no, no, no.
2000, 16, 17, 18. But
No, it was in Full HD, but back then there wasn't so much content in Full HD. Um, we were pioneers here in Chile, so I was knocking doors like okay, I don't know, here in Chile, here no, in Latin America is kind of the same, and not Brazil, but in Peru and Ecuador and Chile, you just have four channels, main channels, that the 80% of the people see watch.
yeah,
So I was with this platform, a young guy talking with these giants, saying, "Okay, your video is poor. I need to improve that because we are thinking that the television, the online service, um, don't have the quality that you have in the Netflix
yeah,
kind of the world, right? But because these guys are doing a lot in the VOD world, but in life, just right now, they are committing in that space.
yeah.
But back in the time here in Chile, the main channel, they are not aware that the quality of his channel was poor. So I went there. I put my encoder with my SDI cable, with my parameters, and I was improving some of the channel here in Chile. It wasn't in the quality that I want to my platform. So I push the industry here in Chile to improve the quality of video. We are doing the same in Ecuador. We are doing not yet in Peru, but doing the same in Ecuador. In Ecuador, we have the right of the soccer, the national league.
Amazing. Yeah.
So we in the last year we improved even the stadium, the transmission of the stadium, the cable of the stadium. We need to change to improve the quality of the
So
image.